Hello everyone, my name is Mark. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market. Today I'm going to share with you what I see on the Bitcoin chart as Bitcoin is playing inside this descending broadening wedge, and I'm expecting Bitcoin to break to the upside anytime soon in this week. Stay with me, let's check it out. Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode. Today we are going to start with the total market cap including Bitcoin. As you can see, the total market cap actually broke the all-time high we had in the past, was about $1.7 trillion, and now is going to backtest this area which is working as a support at the moment for Bitcoin and altcoin. And as you can see on the chart, the 261% of the Fibonacci retracement was working as a really great resistance for the total market cap. If you go from the all-time high in 2017 to the bottom we had in 2018, the 261% of the Fibonacci retracement was working really great as a resistance for the total market cap, altcoins and Bitcoin. Now we are having a very small correction as the 261% of the Fibonacci retracement was worked as a resistance for us, and now the altcoin and Bitcoin is going back. The total market cap is going back to test the previous resistance. Now is working as a support. If actually can stay above this one, and I'm expecting that one is going to be really bullish for the total market cap for Bitcoin and altcoin. I'm going to show you the total market cap excluding Bitcoin as well. The total market cap excluding Bitcoin, we are having a double top. It looks like we are having a double top, and I'm expecting a correction on the altcoins but not Bitcoin. I'm expecting the altcoins make a correction to the downside, maybe to this area which is the previous support. We have got about $500 billion for the altcoin. Why am I expecting this correction to happen for the altcoin? Because the Bitcoin dominance is increasing at the moment, as the resistance line we have got is broken and the Bitcoin dominance is still going to the upside. I'm expecting the total market cap, which we have got a double top as well in here, I'm expecting to have a little bit correction on the altcoins, and the Bitcoin dominance increasing to about 70 to 80% in the next few days and weeks, and we are going to see the increasing for the price of Bitcoin as well, as the Bitcoin dominance is going to the upside. Now we have got the price of Bitcoin, which is about the $58,000 at the moment. The thing is, we have got two broadening wedge. One of them is ascending, one of them is descending at the moment. We have got the previous resistance was about the $57,000 to $58,000 for Bitcoin, which was the previous all-time high, was about in February 2021. Now what do we have in here? It looks like the $57,000 to $58,000 area. Sorry, it's $56,500 area to about $57,000 area. We have got this area as a really good support for Bitcoin at the moment. As you can see, Bitcoin was playing and is still in playing inside this ascending broadening wedge we have got with the two white line in here, and we have got Bitcoin is playing inside this descending broadening wedge, and I'm expecting Bitcoin to make a bounce about this area, and after that make a run to the upside one more time to about 70k or 80k in the next few days and weeks. If Bitcoin can stay above the $56,500 area, and actually the next time Bitcoin is going to bounce to the upside, we are expecting the 70k or 80k for Bitcoin in the next few days and weeks. If Bitcoin lose this area, actually the next support we have got is going to be around the $54,000. I'm going to show you another chart I have got in here for Bitcoin. According to this chart, we have got this trend line is broken at the moment, and looks like Bitcoin is going to the downside to about the $55,000 area. This trend line is not that much important for me because it was just like a rising channel. Bitcoin was playing inside that one. These two orange line we have got in here, they were working as a support and resistance for Bitcoin. As I told you, from 44k I was expecting $61,000 area for Bitcoin. Now that one happened. Bitcoin reached to my target to about the $61,000 area, even more than that. Now we are seeing a little bit correction to the downside. It is not that thing I'm afraid about. Actually, I'm expecting this correction, and that after that we are going to see another bounce to the upside from Bitcoin. According to this chart I have got on the 4-hour time frame, Bitcoin was playing inside this channel. Actually, as you can see, Bitcoin was playing inside this channel, and this channel was broke to the upside, but it was a fake one. Now is going to backtest the middle line of this channel. At the moment, the middle line of this channel is going to be around the $57,000 area. If Bitcoin can bounce from this area to the upside, is good. If not, the next support we have got, the previous one was about the previous top actually was about the $58,300 area. Now this one got broken to the downside. The next support we have got, according to this chart I have got, is going to be around the $54,000 area. Maybe we are going to see a bounce about this area, and after that Bitcoin go to the upside according to this blue arrow I have got in here. If not, if Bitcoin cannot stay about this area, the next one is going to be around the $54,000 area according to this yellow arrow I have got in here. The next thing I'm going to show you, this purple line. Actually, I've been talking about this one for a few weeks. I told you anytime Bitcoin is above that one is working as a really good support, and anytime Bitcoin is below this one, the price is below this one, is working as a really nice resistance for Bitcoin. As you can see, for the past few weeks it was working as a really nice resistance and support for Bitcoin. Now if Bitcoin can actually bounce about this area, is going to be a really healthy correction for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin broke to the upside. We broke actually the previous high we had in February 2021, and now we are going to backtest this one, and after that I'm expecting about this area to Bitcoin make another rally to the upside. It is a really healthy correction if Bitcoin can actually bounce about the $57,000 area to the upside. Now we are going to check the Ethereum chart as well. I have got few Ethereum chart for you, but before we do that one, please take a second of your time and press the like button and subscribe to this channel if you are new to our channel as well. I'm going to show you on the daily time frame. As you can see, this orange line I have got in here, it was working as a really nice support for Ethereum, and this horizontal line we have got in here, which is about the $1,600 area, and this support I have got in here $1,700 area. If Ethereum actually can bounce about $1,700 area, is going to be really nice for Ethereum. If actually Ethereum lose this area, the next one we have got is going to be around the $1,600 area for Ethereum. If we go on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see on the chart, Ethereum is playing inside this rising channel we have got, and actually this the bottom line of this channel we have got is going to be around the 1,740. If Ethereum could break the downside and fall to this area, actually it is still possible for Ethereum to move back to the upside. But if Ethereum can lose the $1,740, and actually the next support we have got is going to be around the $1,580 for Ethereum. I'm going to show you another chart I have got in here on the daily time frame. We've been talking about this chart for Ethereum. Actually, I told you for several times I'm expecting a bounce about a $1,400 area for Ethereum to about this area, which is the middle line with the yellow with the white color. I told you maybe this white color going to work as a really strong resistance for Ethereum in the next few days. That one actually happened for the second time. Actually Ethereum couldn't break this one to the upside. Now is going to the downside one more time to retest the $1,700 area. But about this area, I think the third time Ethereum could pass this one to $2,250. It is really possible because this middle line with the white color was working as a really nice resistance in here and support in here, and now is working as a really nice resistance for Ethereum again. And if Ethereum actually cannot pass this line for the third time, I'm expecting that one Ethereum to go to the downside to $1,600 area, and after that break the upside again. But this is my second scenario. My first scenario is Ethereum could bounce about this area and break the upside in this week or next week. That was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and if you have found the video helpful, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next one.